Expectations. It is good to have expectations, but only when you have them from yourself. Before going into this, let me tell you the nature of expectations. Every time people tend to get hurt, they blame it on others. This is because they put great expectations on others and give their reins of happiness in others' hands, and eventually get those reins pulled and find themselves broken down. Worthless expectations like, why she didn't wish me at 12 o'clock on my birthday? Does she forgot my birthday? Why she hasn't replied for 2 hours? Is she ignoring me? How can she be partying with her other friends while here I am, laying on my sofa eating nachos while smoldering at her Instagram posts, etc. etc. It happens with all of us. Still, we find ourselves unable to cope with it. Okay, now let me ask you, is she the one hurting you? You will probably think, who else it is? But the reality is that it is you who is hurting yourself, putting all those expectations on her. Her wishing you on your birthday, calling and texting you on time shouldn't affect you. You should have your greater purpose clear in life, leaving no time for things petty as that. Just let go of the things that are not in your control. Don't think about them. It is the true mantra to be happy. That is, not thinking about the things that are out of our control and only giving a fuck about the things that are. When you expect from others, you put yourself at their mercy for your own happiness, which is never going to come to stay. And here I am not just talking about your crush or your partner. Here I am talking about people in general. People we put our expectations on. They might meet our expectations sometimes, but most of the time you are going to get hurt. And believe me, no one else but you are to blame for that. Those expectations that you put on them, they are the root of all the disappointments in your life. So stop expecting from others. Alpha males who comes at the higher strata of the society have it as one of their main trait. No expectations from anyone. Now, coming to the point which I stated in the beginning, that it is good to have expectations, but only when you have them from yourself. It is because we humans only strive for anything when we expect something in return from it. When we think that we might get something we want. It is true when they say that expectations hurt the most. But also remember that expectation of anything is the reason to strive for something, to fight for something. You always fight for something when you expect to get something in return, and that keeps you motivated, the rewards of your work. The only way that expectations can be proved useful is when you put them on yourself, on your work, on your goals. Like expecting a growth in your muscles after eating a healthy, high protein diet, or expecting your vocal skills to improve after all those singing classes. Attaching these expectations to other person and they will end up ruining them, because maybe their own expectations might not sync up to yours. So attaching expectations with yourself, with your work, will always keep you spur up. Although it is to keep in mind that the outcome, howsoever it comes, should not demotivate you. For example, you prepared a lot for your exams or a presentation at your work, and the desired result or promotion didn't come. Here, you don't need to get discouraged because giving the CGPA or promotion was not in your hand. The only thing that was in your hand was your performance, and you did it well. You gave your best. So, your work here is done. Finally, the last thing I want to say is to keep your expectations high, but only the one that you have from yourself.